Okay, previous sessions, previous videos, we are going to discuss about what is the how to install the Android Studio, what is the environment, how to you are going to set up it, how to we are going to set up the virtual devices, how to run the basic program. These all kind of things we are covered up. Now we are going to discuss about the third thing, that is nothing but what are the basic functionalities, how to write the basic functionalities of your mobile app. We required a programming language. That programming language is the functional programming language. So up to now we are going to discuss about these all topics. Right now we are going to discuss about what is the Kotlin basics. Say we are well known about the Java programming, C programming, and C++ programming. The Kotlin is the very easiest programming language compared to the Java programming also. So Java programming is compared to the Kotlin, it is very complex programming language. The Kotlin is the which is the very easiest programming language. But here we require to know what is the benefits of the programming language. So it is a modern programming language, expensive and concise, and safer code, interoperability, and structured concurrencies. So what is these all things means we are learned through the syntaxes, then only we can cover up with the these all topics. And Kotlin is a statistically typed programming language. It is run on Java Virtual Machine. So it is the basic a part of it is a part of your Java programming language like a JavaScript. Okay, so what are the properties of the Java programming? Those all things are we are inherited and spread as a new programming version. This programming version very simple compared to the Java programming. So it is a general purpose programming language, and compared to the Java programming language, it is object oriented programming language also. And it is very easy to understand it. Once you know the Python programming language, similar kind of syntax structure here we are going to follow. Okay, so basically what are the programming languages we are discussed about, started with the different kinds of data types and variables and how to declare the variables. These are all kind of things we are discussed about, but here we are starting with the operators. So there is a no difference operators in Java programming compared with the Java programming and Kotlin. There is a no much more difference operators are there. Similar kind of operators we can use it here. Okay, so this is the simple example, but how to we are going to write it, that is the very important thing. Okay, so 1 plus 1, so that means you how to you are implement the Python programming, same kind of things here we also we can just give the it is look like a calculator. It is a running as a your interpreter. So whether you are type it as a what are the operation you have performed, immediately it will be give the answers. Okay, so numeric operators, what are the numeric operators, how to we are going to use it, this is the very important means numeric operators methods. Up to now in Java programming or C programming, C++ programming, we are not using the numeric operating methods. Here 2 dot times is nothing but how many times you need to multiply, 2 into 3. So multiplication, if you want to develop it, 2 times of 3. So 2 into 3 is nothing but a 6. At the same time, plus is the one of the method, default method which is used to adding the two operators, two values, that is nothing but integer values, 3.5 plus 4. Next 2.4 division by 2, like this you can use the this functionalities. Okay, next what are the data types are there here, long is there, int is there, short is there, byte is there, uh, and double, float, char, boolean, these all kind of Java kind of things. And operation types, let us discuss about the how to we are going to assign a variable. So here we can use the val and var. Okay, so val and var, which is nothing but a static and dynamic data types, which is used to your data type. What is the data type you want to store it. So val I equals to int equals to 6, that is the static data type, whether you are not changing the any values here. Okay, so convert I would like to present some other videos, that is nothing but what are the data types we are discussed here. Those all data types, how to we are going to implement to the environment, that examples I will explain you each and everything. Okay, so val 1 million underscore is a long number, whether you are using the long number, how to represent the long integer values, simply use as a underscore. So use the underscore to make long numeric constants more readable. So hexabytes and bytes, like this only we can use it. Next string, uh, simply use as a s1 equals to some string, s2 equals to some string. So if you want to display the string, here is we are using the three quotations also. So that is the major difference between the Java and this Kotlin. String concatenation simply used as a plus operator to you can concatenate the string operations. So val I equals to 10, print I equals to $I. So that means I equals to 10. That is nothing but a $I. What are the value you can. So this is a dollar which is useful to the your string integrated into the within the double quotation. So that means here $A which is working as a variable. Whether you change the I equals to 10 at the same time I equals to 5, the value it will be treated as I equals to 5 only. That means this $I not a string, but it is integrated with your string. It is a string compatible string compatibility to it is changed as a variable. So why? Because we are using the dollar symbol. See val s equals to abc dollar dot s length, that means it is abc dot length, which is represented within the curly braces as dot length. Now it is like a function. So now it returns the value as a return value. Okay. Next, this is the expression. So in previous slide, we are going to discuss about only how to use the single values, but expressions. A dollar, which is within the curly braces, you write the expression. That is nothing but adding the two. Okay. So next video, we are going to discuss about how to we are implement the uh, how to we are going to these all kind of examples we are going through the practical. Okay. Thank you.